hand. They're supposed to stop. I don't know if they are. Alright guys, we're at Sherwin. This particular company sells the paint that our builder painted our home with, so we're just going to buy this, plus we get a discount on it. These are the... Avery, stay by me. You're supposed to do 6 feet. Since we're here, I'm going to browse around and see if I see any colors that interest me, because we will need to pick some colors for the new house eventually. Like shingle gray. Grays are really popular for homes right now, but I'm going to look at the others just to see if I want something different for the new house. They've got a lot of greens and purples, which I'm not looking for something bold, something kind of neutral. That's why I'm thinking about the gray. All right, Avery, let's go.
How you doing?
Hi. I called about the...
About the 5-gallon bucket?
Yeah.
Cool.
And I brought it just to be on the safe side. This is empty.
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah. How do you open it, Avery? Like that. Go ahead. We brought our 2-wheeler just because we're going to have to lug this big, heavy 5-gallon can of paint back to the car. Get this too.
You said you need a 5-gallon bucket?
Yeah. While we're waiting for them to mix the paint, we're going to look around. I don't see the... Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
I'm looking all over for the rollers and stuff. Our Sherwin-Williams store just literally reopened, so I'm not really finding a lot of the things that I usually look for and purchase here. We got some of those already. Come on, Avery. So we got our paint and we're going to head back to the house. I'm so tempted to buy this spray paint for a DIY. So Avery's gotten used to handling this 2-wheeler, and he's definitely in charge at this point and wants to be in control of taking the paint to the house. So here's Dad helping load the 5-gallon paint on the 2-wheeler. Let's see how Avery does. Get Avery. Oh, that's some muscles right there. Now what you gotta do? Got it. Oh. Oops.
Uh-oh. The wheel got stuck.
Yep.
Go get a running start.
Oh my God.
You got 'em. There you go.
You did it. The third time's a charm.